Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first and second derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. This is about the product rule of derivative. And the second one, this is about the power rule of derivative. Now we can apply two formula for in here. So first derivative, we can apply the product rule, and that should be like this. So this one we apply the power rule. So we put number 2 on here. So we have 2x to the power of number 2 minus 1. So this one we have 2x in here. This one we have the formula. So if we do first derivative of 8x, you got about 8. Now we put number 4 on here, and that is about 4e to the power of 4x. Number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. And this is about the answer for first derivative. Number 3 with number 4, we have number 12. Now we can apply for second derivative. So if we look carefully about this one, e to the power of 4x with s squared is similar for this one in here. And now we repeat again. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 4e to the power of 4s. This one 4e to the power of 4s. This one, that is about 2s. Number 6 and number 4, we have 24. And now number 3 with number 4, and you got 48. The next one we have 24. So 24, we have 48. This is the end. Thank you for watching.